Welcome back to Product Critique. If you're tired of making mistakes in your notes, journals, or planners and wish there was an easier way to correct them, we've got the solution for you. Today, we're reviewing the best erasable pen refills on the market. The Zonon 24PC's Erasable Pen Refills. A must-have for anyone who loves to write without worrying about mistakes. These refills are designed to fit most gel pens, offering a smooth writing experience with their fine 0.7mm point. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who loves to keep a well-organized planner, these refills will ensure that your writing is both neat and mistake-free. The erasable ink uses thermal-sensitive technology, meaning it's easy to erase your writing with just a rubber eraser, leaving no residue or tearing. It's the ultimate solution for anyone who needs to make corrections without any hassle. The Zonon Erasable Pen Refills come in a pack of 24, giving you plenty to keep you going for a long time. You get a mix of black and blue refills, so you're covered for all your writing needs. The gel ink is water-based, non-toxic, and completely safe to use, which makes these refills ideal for kids and adults alike. Plus, the ink is durable and will not fade or smudge, even after being erased. Now, let's talk about the practicality. If you're someone who regularly writes in planners, takes notes, or loves solving crossword puzzles, these refills are perfect. They're compatible with most gel pens, ensuring a seamless writing experience across various pen bodies. Whether you're jotting down quick thoughts or writing out a detailed to-do list, you'll appreciate the comfort and precision these refills offer. In addition to the writing comfort, the Zonon refills are incredibly practical for anyone who loves neatness. You won't have to deal with scribbles or messy corrections anymore. Just erase and rewrite, and you're good to go. It's like having a second chance with every page. So, if you're looking for an efficient, high-quality, and affordable solution to your writing mistakes, the Zonon 24PC's Erasable Pen Refills are the way to go. With their smooth ink flow, easy erasure, and compatibility with a wide range of gel pens, these refills offer an unparalleled writing experience that's both functional and fun. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on the best products that make your life easier. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.